What's up, guys? The submachine gun's been unvaulted, so I just thought we could play a game and see if we can get a victory royale with it. So let's get in the match. It feels so nice to have it back. But this gun does a lot of damage. I haven't used it in so long. Like, even in creative and stuff, I don't use it too often. But like back then in OG Fortnite, I used it like all the time. It was such a good gun. I remember being like so sad when it got vaulted. But like, yeah. Oh my gosh, I do not know how to build an edit right now. Oh wait. How do I edit this? Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I'm trying to see what things I have around me. Easy. Now we just need to find a machine gun. I mean submachine gun. I have not said that in a long time. Wait, I might have it in this chest. Yes, I got it! Let's go. I cannot lose this match. Ooh. Rare one? Alright. I'll take that. Wait, no. Not this. Big pot. This feels nice. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, that was kind of scary. I did not think I was gonna win that. I thought I was gonna have to redo this video. Dang. Let's go. Let's go. I have not used this in so long. I don't use vehicles that much. Because I just find them kind of useless. Because I'll just be like jumping around and stuff. I can't do anything. Did you boost on this? I don't know how to work anything. I'm gonna try to do something. Bro. Oh my! Bro. There's no way I just survived that. He just like pumped me. My heart. Oh my gosh. I cannot. That was so silly. That kid came out of nowhere. Like, actually. I thought, like, there was... I did not think the charged shotgun would insta-kill him. Little whip. Yo, yo, yo. Thank you. I like ice cream. These are gonna be my heals for the match. Is this literally all you give me? Give me more. Alright, now we got some heals. This is good. No! Fortnite's getting too hard. Because now everybody can just like one pump me and stuff. It's so annoying. If I die again and get like not like top 20, I'm gonna be mad. If I die top 20, I'm mad. If I die top 20, I'm ending the video. Like, this video is only supposed to be like 8 minutes long, but I don't know, man. It could be longer. Hey, this is my favorite landing spot of the season. That didn't happen. Alright, no need for the twin mag. Got this. Ooh, there's a bounty on me. I'm so scared. There was a kid who just jumped in here, and I'm not. There's no way he even kills me. There's no way. Too good to kill. To die. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. No! No! This cat had like... Why do you have 2 shotguns? Why do you have 2 shotguns? Why? I'm done with this game, bro.